Good morning, everyone. I have a stutter, so no panics in case I stop a bit. I'm just trying to catch my breath. Okay, so my name is Miriam. Yeah, thank you, sister. And I will be speaking on the topic. So kindly help me follow through my slides, more than my words, please. Thank you. Okay, and we have no conflict of interest. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, so more than half of the population in Nigeria is under the age of 25 years, and that means adolescent and young people are an important demographic, right? And so we had an intervention with a network of people living in HIV, and on my institution, the Institute of Human Virology, under the Global Fund Grant Circle 7, to implement a GHR program. Now, here's what we did. We had community rights advocates that were embedded in communities where vulnerable population groups were, and we ensured that all HIV and TB services were integrated within legal networks. So we collaborated with the National Human Rights Commission, the Ministry of Women Affairs, and all of that. We ensured that the community rights advocates were trained intensively. They had knowledge on referral pathways and GHR concepts. So they provided human rights awareness campaigns, promoted legal literacy, access to justice and social protection services. They used an app called the Community Monitor. Sorry, I'll go back. That helped them to log in GHR incidences and also track the cases. So here's what we found out. Now, over 3,000 AYPs in all states in Nigeria had reported some, type of violations. of reached GBV, was the most prevalent amongst all of them, even amongst boys and young men. Okay. And the majority of the AYPs that had reported the violations consented for legal action, especially around the GBV group as well. And regardless of the gender, we still found out that, they wanted further legal action to be taken. Now, here are our recommendations. We saw an urgent need for strengthened gender-sensitive interventions, enhanced reporting systems, a multi-sectoral approach to DHR, scale up of digital platforms and targeted policies to combat DHR. And here are my acknowledgements of all my co-authors and references. Thank you.